Hello viewers, today we're going to be testing out the vintage Westinghouse air conditioner. This is the first time it's run in several months. It's pretty warm today, 86 degrees out, 79 in. This is reading a little bit lower because this was downstairs and the inside of it's kind of cold. So we'll get a little bit of a head start, not that it needs it by any means. These are very powerful machines. We've got the kilowatt meter set up here. It's rated for 7.5 amps. Of course, that is at the 115 volt spectrum. We're working with 120, although I suspect this will bring the voltage down to 115 or lower because the wiring in this house is not very substantial. In fact, on startup it'll probably trip my UPS out. So I'll keep this on volts so we can see how low it goes. It's going to go pretty low as the capacitor charges up and the compressor begins to run. Okay, I'll start it up now. It went so low the meter couldn't even operate. That's pretty pathetic. And actually we're down below 115, we're down to 113. And that lost time, so everything did, power did go down pretty low apparently. Okay, amps. 7.1, it's rated for 7.5. I suspect once the head pressure builds up, it'll probably be a little bit higher. Listen to that nice reciprocating compressor for a minute. It's already getting cold. Okay, refrigerant going through there. The condensation is coming out two places. It's coming out there, which is where it's supposed to, and it's coming out over there too. I don't know why that's transpiring. There must be something not quite right about that, but it's working fine. Sounds really nice. This window is on the second floor, so I can't get it too close. And I realize that's not the greatest. It's only a temporary installation. It's been going for about 2 hours now. The temperature's gone down from 79 to 69. It's still warm out, but it's keeping up no problem. Yeah, 69 going in, 52 coming out, 51, 52. Yeah, of course it changes a little bit depending on where you position this thing in here. So we're getting about our delta 20, so that's working good. And of course now it's in the sun, so it's not getting as much subcooling as it would be ideal. We're drawing 7 amps. It's rated for 7.5. Let's see what our voltage is here. 113 is usually about 120 to 125, so it's pulling down the voltage quite a bit. But the draw is certainly within an acceptable range. Hear the sound of the compressor change as the head pressure builds up. At least I could hear it in person. I don't know if you'd hear it in the video or not. But anyway, so that's that. That will conclude the test. I always like to let the fan run for a little while to cool off the compressor and the condenser. So that was it. Another successful run of the vintage Westinghouse air conditioner.